Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, today we will present about Shneiderman 8 Golden Rules, DFP 30033 Human Computer Interaction. Firstly, I will introduce my group members.
My name is Muhammad Aiman bin Ramli. My matrix number is 01DDT20F1033.
My name is Amir Daniel bin Zawawi and my matric card number is 01DDT20F1073.
My name is Amirul Aiman Hakim bin Anwar. My matric card number 01DDT20F1078.
My name is Muhammad Faiz bin Abdul Rahman. My matric card number is 01DDT20F1086.
So, firstly, there is 8 golden rules in Shneiderman 8 golden rules. First, strive for consistency, enable frequent user to use shortcuts, offer informative feedback, design dialogues to yield closure, offer error prevention and simple error handling, permit easy reversals of actions, support internal locus of control, and reduce short-term memory load. The introduction to Shneiderman 8 golden rules. Shneiderman 8 golden rules are intended to help designers solve problems, and for the purpose, Shneiderman offers them significant help with his 8 heuristics in order to improve usability, and interface need to be well designed to be user-friendly. So this is our mind map. So firstly, strive for consistency. It is whether it is the layout, the size of the button, the color code or the tone used when writing the page. It is important to be consistent throughout the site. The consistency will allow you to develop your identity and not lose user as they navigate your site. For example, for website page. In the example below, you can recognize Amazon by applying the first heuristic. There is a consistency between all the pages present on Amazon. The layout is the same, the size of the button is always similar, and the color code are very specific to Amazon. The second one is enable frequent user to use shortcut. It is allow user to access all parts of the website with a minimum of clicks. To do this, you not only need to establish a good hierarchy in the menu, but also make things clear. It is to increase the pace of interaction, use abbreviation, special key, hidden commands and macros. For example, menu shortcut. So for the example in Canva, these actions are unavailable using the right click menu, but you can use Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste, and Ctrl X to cut. Next, I will pass to my friend.
Okay, thank you Amirul. Okay, I will continue the third Shneiderman golden rules. It is offer informative feedback. If your users have performed or are performing action on your website, it is best to display feedback immediately that they have an idea of where their process are. We take an example with a tool Google Drive. As you can see for this example, you will have to create a new folder that you can delete right after. When you are in this folder, choose a document of your choice, a photo, a video, a PDF file, and use drag and drop transfer it to your folder. Once your transfer is in progress, this window will appear to keep you informed of the progress of your transfer. Okay, the fourth Shneiderman's golden rule is design dialogue to yield closure. Sequence of action should be organized into groups with a beginning, middle, and end. The informative feedback at the completion of a group of action shows their user their activity has completed successfully. For example, thank you message, validation message, summary message during a purchase. Okay, for example, this show your email for booking confirmation is success. show that you have to confirm to delete your file.
Yeah, I will continue to the fifth Shneiderman. Offer simple error handling and offer error prevention. First is a good interface should be designed to avoid error as much as possible. However, if something goes wrong, your system should make it easy for user to understand and resolve the problem. Simple way to deal with error include displaying clear error notification and descriptive hint to resolve the problem. For example, on our site, we tell you when you log in if your login information is wrong. For example, on our site, we tell you when you log in if your login information is wrong. Okay, for the sixth is permit easy reversal of action. First is this feature relieve nervousness since the user knows that error can be undone. It does encourage exploration or unfamiliar option. The unit of reversibility may be a single action, a data entry, or a complete group of action. For example, Outlook mobile application, when archiving an email, a small window automatically appears at the bottom of screen offering to cancel then archiving. In the Outlook mobile application, when archiving an email, a small window automatically appears at the bottom of the screen offering to cancel the archiving.
Now I will explain for number 7, support internal locus of control. Experienced users want to be charged. Surprising system actions, tedious sequences of data entries, inability of difficulty in obtaining necessary information, and its ability to produce the action desired. For example, in the screenshot, we are on Capien's YouTube page and we can choose to turn on notification or not. YouTube lets us choose how much notification we want to see. By doing this, YouTube is giving freedom to the users and making them feel like they have control over what they will receive. For number 8, reduce short-term memory load. A famous study suggests that humans can store only 7 plus or minus 2 pieces of information in their short-term memory. Reduce short-term memory load by designing screens where options are clearly visible or using pull-down menus and icons. For example, Capien's homepage below is very minimalist and allows the user's attention to be focused on the call to action. Most of the information we want to promote is on the page without any other information that could disrupt the user's navigation. And for conclusion, respecting the rules proposed by the man is not to be taken as gospel. However, having clear guidelines will allow you to orientate your audits and will allow you to detect the main problems that you may encounter on your web interface.
So, that's all from us. Thank you.